It's gonna be pretty much what we've been doing all along is CRUD functionality. So what we did before, Python, Java, Node, and all that culminates to what we're doing now. So as you can see here, here's my profile photo for my Gmail account or for my Google account. So as you can see here, before I can use the app, I need to sign in first. So I've already signed in. All right, so this is I've been Lean's expense tracker. So this is pretty much like a general ledger or a balance sheet of all the expenditure and assets that I own. All the assets I own, all the expenditure that I need to pay off. So it's pretty much like a general ledger, like what you have in accounting. Right, so let's say, for example, you've got a table, right, and the table happens to be 250. So that's going to be an expense. That's going to be the first expense that you have. So you add transaction, it's 250. As you can see here, I'll pretty much, exemplify all the CRUD functionality that is going to be exemplified now. Then you got your car, which is like 6,500. School, ins- insurance, right? 2450. Um, yeah. So as you can see here, those are my expenses. And then one more, uh, car repairs. Transaction. And yeah. So let's go on to my income. So as you can see, I got radio buttons. I got buttons that pretty much correlate with the radio that I have. So obviously the radios, the different channels, has the different channels that you can be making use of as learned in what we were working with before. So let's say for example I got my income, which is which let's say my income is 2,000. Wait, hold on, no, that's too low. It's like let's say 6,500. That's my income. So as you can see in the balance sheet, so I got these so I got car repairs red, income green. So these are yeah, so these pretty much represents what type of thing we've got. So we got red. So once on the back end we set danger for this and then we set success for that. So danger would be red and income would be green. So we say we got our income, which is 6,500. So as you can see, the prices got balanced out between the income expenses. So income 6.5, then bonus 2,500, and then then let's say for example you got lawsuit. Wait, or let me